Baba. Baba, Baba. Baba,
That's what we do for you.
Baba, that bread kind of old. Baba, 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 Baba,
Guys, all depends on your storyline, what you want to achieve. But look at what I shot here. I shoot when the character comes to keep her bread, then drop her bread. After she keep her bread, then she walk out. The next thing is the second character coming and see something, see a food. Who keep this food there? Then he wondered, and after that, then he moved closer. After which I shoot the food, which is the mineral and bread. Then the next thing is when he's going to be coming properly to come and carry the mineral or pick the mineral and the bread. When he gets here, he'll first of all look round as if to view whether someone is coming or not. Then after that, he's going to pick the bread. On walking out from the scene, the owner of the bread properly is going to walk in to ask her, that bread, is it your own? Then after that, you are going to shoot this part where the second character will look at her, then wave at her. Then after shooting this part, the next part now is you are now going to shoot the main original part where the effect is going to be, which is where she's saying Baba, 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 and the character is walking out. So after shooting this part, of course, you will remember that you need to shoot an empty background. Then after that, you head over to CapCut. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut, click on new video now. So click on new video. You are going to be importing your first clip to workspace, which is this one. You click it and you import it to workspace. Okay, locate that action part before the character walks into the scene. Then you are going to here, click here and make a split. Okay, you delete this first part as we are not needing it again. Then you locate the part where they ask her to cut. Okay, make sure you mark out that cut part, all right, so that your video will look professional. So take time as you play it, locate the part where they say cut, then you make sure you mark out the cut part so that your video will look professional. So trim it out now. As you trim it out, you are going to be clicking on this plus again to import your second video, where she's dropping the minerals and bread. Mark out the action part, trim it out. After trimming out, this is how it's going to play. Immediately she's walking out, trim out that part. You click on this plus again to import your third video, which is when the second character is coming to carry the food, the mineral and the bread, where he walked in and saw that there is something, which is this part. Import it to workspace. Okay, before he walks into the scene, mark this place and make a split. Then you delete the middle part. Then you allow it to play. Immediately he gets here and do his thing. The moment he bends down, watch this part. When he bends down, make a split at that middle there. Click on this plus again. Import this mineral and bread. Okay, let it be that when he bent down, he saw something, the food. You can trim it. After trimming it, trim it. After trimming it, you allow it to play. Allow it to play till the character is walking down. Look at it. From this point where he moved down, trim it. After trimming it, we are going to be clicking on plus again to import this other part of the video where he finally moves in to pick the bread. So allow him to move in and get to the bread, trim it to the point where you stopped the other one, where he's coming down here. From where he has come down from this very demarcation here is where you are going to start it to play. It's where you are going to start from here, trim it to that point, then you allow it to play till the point when he picked the bread and the minerals. Allow him, then he will get here, he will look left and right after picking it, he will look left and right. After looking left and right, then nobody is seeing him, he will now want to walk out. So from this part you click and trim it. After trimming it, we are going to be clicking on this plus again to import the part where the owner of the bread finally appeared, which is this one, and we'll be asking him, Baba, that bread, is it your own? Import this one to workspace. Then you work on it to make sure it rhymes with this one. Trim it so that you make sure it rhymes with this. Then immediately after trimming it, cut out the action part, trim it out. After trimming it, then look at how it's going to play.
Baba, that bread
you carry, is it your own? Then he will turn back, trim this point now. After trimming this point, you click on this plus again to import the part where he's going to turn and look at her and wave at her. This from here where he has turned already, trim it. After trimming it, you allow it to play until he waves at her. Trim it. Then look at how he's going to play. Play it now until he waves at her. Then from here you click it and make a split. The moment he waves at her, make a split that point and delete this last one. Then you are going to be importing the last part now. Click on this plus, import this last part, which is where the magic is going to be coming from, or the magic will be. Import it to work space. This is where the magic is going to be. So mark out the action part, Baba. Allow from here you make a split. So make a split here, cut it here, delete this middle part, and you allow it to play. Let us see. She's saying Baba, Baba, Baba. From there Baba enter and she run away. Click now and trim it. Trim it. After trimming it, you come back. What we are going to be putting now is an empty background that we are going to use. So after you allow it play, you come back here now. You click on overlay. Look at overlay there. Click on overlay, guys. Add overlay. Import this empty background. That is what we are going to use. Import it to workspace. Then bring it a little bit to the forward. Then you go and look for freeze. We are going to be freezing this very place now. So go and look for freeze. Okay. Go and look for freeze, guys. Then you freeze this part now. You click on the first part and delete it. Then click on the last part as well and delete it. After that, click on it and drag it to cover this last part of the video. You drag it to the ending part, drag it to the end. After which now we are going to click it to look for mask. Look for mask, guys. Locate mask. We are going to be masking it. So look for mask. Click on mask. Look at mask. Click on mask. Click on right angle. So from here you do your adjustment. Okay, we are going to be dragging it. Drag it. Okay, drag it. After you drag it, bring it immediately after the edge of the bench this side. Then you are going to be working on it. You can see that the up of this your freeze part is too wide, wider than the main video. You can see the space. Look at the two space. You can see that this side is too wide. So we are going to be working on that now. How do we do that? Drag this your arrow, this arrow, drag it up. Then you push the rectangle. Push it down. No, it's too much. Push it up a little bit. It's okay like this. This is good. After that, you are going to mark on that good and go back. Then you push it to leave the bench completely. Then you can adjust it to be equal with this other fence there. After positioning it, you are going to click it again to go and click that mask again. We are going to be doing something. So click it, locate that mask for the second time. Click on this mask now. Push this rectangle up, just push it up. Then you play with this feather icon, drag it down a little bit. Then you mark on that good and go back after that. Then you are going to play it. Let us see what we have got. Look at it. Do you see? Play it again. Let's see what we have got. Okay, so after this place now, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. Make sure you watch this video to the end, okay, so that you will not be missing out on anything. Play this video from the beginning now. Remember to add your sound effects, your light effect, and every other effect, okay? And after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. As far as I'm concerned, this video is ready, okay? But make sure you watch this video to the end so as not to be missing out on anything. Look at it now. This video is ready. As you can see, the video is playing.
Baba, that bread kind of your own.
Baba, that bread where they carry they come out, is it your own? Baba will look at her and wave at her. Then now we saying Baba, and the man entered into the world. Then she ran out. After that, now you can click on export now. Then you export this your video to your gallery. As you can see that the video is exporting. Just a size patient. All right, now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, but like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, if you have any magic tricks you would like us to create together, drop it at the comment section. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching.